2014 to 2016 Toyota Corolla USB port replacement. What's up, guys? I'm in a 2016 Toyota Corolla. I'm going to show you how to replace this aux port, this USB port. What I do is I try to get my shifter all the way back to give me some room. So if you like hit the brake and put this back, just make sure you got your e-brake on so you don't roll backwards or nothing. You don't have to do that though. And I'm going to take my plastic pry bar I got. I'll link this below. And we're going to go right underneath this here. And we're going to try to get it in between the USB port and then the little dash panel. And we're just going to try to get in there and work it and pop it out. The reason why we use a plastic pry bar is because if you use a flathead or a butter knife or something, it might damage the panel material around there. It might have like dents in it and stuff. But yeah, sometimes they're stubborn, but you just get this in there like that. And then once it pops out a little bit, just grab it with your fingertips and just slide it straight forward. Yours might come out way easier, or it might be a little more stubborn. But there are these little things on the sides that need to be compressed, at least on one side, and then it can pop out. It has a connector with a little thumb tab or finger tab. Just push that down and then pull the connector out. You could use something to help you, but don't pull on the wires or nothing like that. And then here is our USB port. Here's the part number right here. 86190-0R010. This is on Amazon. I highly recommend getting the Toyota genuine one. It's like 85 bucks, which I know is kind of a lot, but they got 5 stars and it's just the way to go. I feel like there are other alternatives though. Just stay away from like the 1-star ratings though. If you scroll through here, there's some 1-star, but then this one has a lot of stars. So I'm gonna link both the OEM one and then this Motuco one. Motuku, I don't know what it's called. I'll link them both below. And then once you get your new one, all you do is you plug it in. The connector it only can go in one way, so just plug it in. And then once you get that plugged in, make sure it's in there really good, and then you can just push this guy in place, and it'll snap into place, and then you're good to go. So thanks for watching, guys. See you next video.
Alright guys, that's all the information I got for you. The rest of the video is just some products and other stuff I got going on. Totally up to you if you want to stick around. Got a 15% off promo code for oxauto.com. They got a handful of products, but what they're mostly known for is their really good aftermarket LED headlights. They've been out a few years now, and at first the lights they had were 200% brighter than regular headlight bulbs. Now they've upgraded the tech this year, and now it's 600% brighter. So if you're in the boonies, the suburbs, the city, I highly recommend you upgrade your bulbs. Nothing wrong with having an old car, but you should get with the times and have bright headlights like everyone else. These bulbs are available on Amazon. However, if you go to the Oxauto website, that's where I could give you a promo code for 15% off. All you got to do is go to the website, type in your year, make, and model. There's basically products for every car out there, and what kind of light you want. They have all kinds of different lights for interior, exterior, headlights, and then you just browse to what you need and you get it. And then at checkout, you're going to type in Guillermo Auto and then hit apply in the coupon code spot, and it'll take 15% off.